a torch up to the utility of hunting dogs, we ought to get as close to them as possible. For many of you, dromaeosaurs like Deinonychus or Utahraptor may be your first choice. No doubt, the Jurassic Park series imprinted this idea of pack-hunting raptors into all of us at a young age. However, there is another group of theropods that may be a far better option, and that is Tyrannosaurids. Now, I know you're already thinking this, oh yeah, Madly, sure, we're gonna put a collar on a T-Rex and it's gonna help us hunt some deer. But hear me out. For many members of this group, we found pretty solid evidence for group behavior, more so than what we have for Deinonychus or Utahraptor. Particularly 3 species, Albertosaurus, Daspletosaurus, and Appalachosaurus. Tyrannosaurids, especially T-Rex, are well understood to have some of the best senses of smell among theropods of the Mesozoic, with large olfactory bulbs estimated to contain around 620 to 670 olfactory receptor genes. Not quite the 1,000 found in most dogs, but much closer than any other theropod. Of course, so far we've only found these traits in much larger species, all of which probably don't need any help from humans to hunt. But one smaller species in particular stands out as a candidate to me, Timorlengia, a smaller genus of tyrannosaur from roughly 90 million years ago in Uzbekistan. Detailed CT scans of Timorlengia's brain case revealed that it possessed a pretty sophisticated brain structure. Notably, Timorlengia had an elongated cochlea, meaning it had the ability to hear low-frequency sounds, which would be another advantage for hunting prey. Social behavior for this smaller species is more speculative, but no more than with a lot of other dinosaurs. We know that T-Rex had a brain-to-body weight ratio that was well above average for dinosaurs, and a well-developed cerebrum that suggests they were certainly very intelligent. I don't know if I believe the smart as a baboon claim, but considering animals like chickens can be trained to perform certain tasks, and T-Rex was probably smarter than a chicken, we can likely say that Timorlengia would be capable of learning commands or what its human handlers would want from them, especially with food as a reward. However, even this smaller Tyrannosaurid is quite a bit larger than dogs. The best course of action for our early humans here is to raise Timorlengia from the egg, building a bond with them by training them as early and as often as possible. This will be pretty similar to raising a tiger in the beginning.